Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Fear is the topic amongst others I will give my input on today. It is important, yes, I said important, to not make faces that are filled with fear. No thoughts should be feared. Your strength is needed at times because people turn to you for protection. You are built to relieve the fears of others. This status requires giving good to others. Be the strong one, the blessing. Staying solid when people are fumbling is your new changed character. No judgment is involved in this protectiveness to others. Don't try to figure out, judge why people behave the way they do. Example, why they are filled with fear. Everything is perfect the way it is. There's no need to have a second thought on yours or others' actions. You are a warrior and not a judgment-filled, egotistical, insensitive being. I was going to say insensitive pig, but I do not want to insult the pigs. Allah, universe, which is all positive fates, and these fates want you to stop being protective. Learn to receive without fear. Joy does not need armor anymore. Trusting God, Buddha, I alternate between all the higher powers people believe in because universe is everything that's positive and good. I do not wish to lean more on one faith than another. Let me resume the powers. These powers no longer require anxiety. Trusting when bad energies are removed from within, remove the need for armor. Believing that the past is a crutch and no longer a reliable ally. Fear, obsession, and continual attempts to avoid it at any cost is inaccurate in our growth as saints. When you hear your higher self, he will train you how to remove or at least subside it the best you both can until you become good at it as a team, not filled with fear. The removal of lack is part of this teaching, and he, your higher self, is considered the sculptor of your destiny. Okay, that's it. Get your hands on the copy of my ebook, 108 Eternal Life Guidance. It is a quick read book. You can finish it within 1 to 2 hours. Just small quotes and reflective awareness building quotes and phrases that help you become more in tune with your higher self and become more aware. So get your hands on the ebook. I'll put a link below. Thank you for joining me. Bye bye.